Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The diagnostic trouble codes DTC P0962 and P0963 refer to issues with the continuously variable transmission CVT drive pulley pressure control valve circuit on the Honda Accord models from 2017 to 2023. Specifically, P0962 indicates a low circuit condition, while P0963 indicates a high circuit condition. This problem typically lies within the electrical circuit rather than mechanical components, meaning that mechanical failure in the transmission itself is unlikely to cause these codes. The CVT drive pulley pressure control valve is crucial for regulating pressure within the CVT system, impacting vehicle performance and efficiency. It is located towards the transmission's interior, connected to the transmission control module, TCM. The TCM is responsible for communicating between various components of the transmission to optimize performance. Understanding how to troubleshoot these DTC errors is essential for maintaining the vehicle's proper function. The DTC P0962 is triggered when there is a low reading in the CVT drive pulley pressure control valve circuit, while P0963 indicates a high reading. Both are closely linked to the electrical circuit communication that manages the CVT system. The affected components in this case are the transmission control module, TCM, which is the brain of the CVT system, and the CVT drive pulley pressure control solenoid valve. This valve is responsible for adjusting the pressure within the CVT mechanism, directly affecting the vehicle's ability to handle power efficiently. These DTCs signal that there's an electrical discrepancy rather than mechanical failures within the transmission, which allows for a more focused approach in troubleshooting. The location of the TCM is typically found within the engine compartment or beneath the dash, while the solenoid valve is embedded within the transmission housing. When diagnosing DTC P0962 and P0963, multiple possible causes must be considered. A faulty transmission control module, TCM, can lead to erroneous signals within the circuit, affecting how the pressure control valve operates. Another leading cause may involve wiring issues, such as a short circuit in the drive low signal, DRLS line, or an open circuit in the drive control, DRC lines, which hinders the proper flow of electrical signals. These shorts or opens can disrupt communication between the TCM and the solenoid valve, leading to malfunctioning performance. Lastly, a bad solenoid valve itself may fail to respond to commands, which can also contribute to these fault codes. Each of these elements needs careful scrutiny during troubleshooting to accurately diagnose the root cause of DTCs P0962 and P0963. Drivers experiencing DTCs P0962 or P0963 may notice several symptoms indicating that the CVT system is not operating optimally. Commonly reported issues include transmission performance problems, such as delayed engagement or slipping during acceleration. Additionally, unusual gear shifting patterns may arise, leading to a less responsive driving experience where the vehicle may struggle to maintain a consistent speed. The vehicle's onboard diagnostics may activate the check engine light, indicating the driver should investigate potential problems. If the issue is not addressed promptly, these symptoms could escalate, leading to more severe transmission complications. Thus, understanding these warning signs is crucial for timely repairs. The first step in troubleshooting DTC P0962 and P0963 involves a series of checks initiated by turning the vehicle to the on mode. Once in this mode, use the Honda Diagnostic System, HDS, to clear the current diagnostic trouble codes. This action allows the system to reset and begin fresh monitoring of any issues that may arise. After clearing the codes, start the engine and let it run for at least 1 second. This step helps to establish if the DTCs immediately reappear. Following these actions, you must then check the diagnostic system for any pending or confirmed DTCs. If either P0962 or P0963 reappears, this indicates a consistent failure that needs further investigation. To further diagnose the cause of DTCs P0962 and P0963, the next step is to perform electrical measurements focusing on the transmission control module, TCM. Start by turning the vehicle to the off-lock mode to ensure safety. Then disconnect the TCM 50P connector. This step isolates the module from the circuit, allowing for accurate resistance readings. With the connector removed, measure the resistance between test point 1, which is the TCM 50P connector number 15, and test point 2, a clean body ground. You are looking for a resistance value between 5.0 to 6.3 ohms. If the reading is within this acceptable range, it indicates that the wiring is intact and further diagnostics may be necessary. If the resistance is less than 5.0 ohms, this suggests an issue that requires further investigation in the next step. In this third step, you need to isolate the CVT drive pulley pressure control solenoid by disconnecting its 2P connector. This will allow you to check for continuity between provided test points effectively. When connectivity is assessed, it specifically focuses on confirming whether the line between the TCM and the solenoid valve is shorted to ground. The condition is assessed under off-lock mode, with both connectors disconnected to avoid any electrical interference. To determine if there is continuity, you need to measure between TCM connector number 15 and a reliable body ground. If continuity is confirmed, it indicates that there is a wiring short, and immediate repair is needed to rectify the DRLS line issue. Conversely, if no continuity is found, it suggests that the wiring is intact but points to a defective CVT drive pulley pressure control solenoid valve, warranting replacement of the valve body assembly. To troubleshoot for openings in the wiring, disconnect the CVT drive pulley pressure control solenoid 2P connector. Next, measure the continuity between the solenoid's female terminal number 2 and TCM connector number 15. This important check is done while keeping the vehicle in off-lock mode and both connectors disconnected to ensure accuracy. If you find continuity between these points, this implies that the wiring is intact, and you can proceed to step 5 for further diagnostics. However, if there is no continuity at this point, it indicates an open wire condition within the DRLS or drive control line. This defect requires you to make necessary repairs in the wiring to ensure the electrical signals can flow effectively between the CVT pressure control solenoid and the TCM. This step is critical in ensuring that the system functions properly. In this final troubleshooting step, focus needs to be directed towards the drive control DRC negative line. Again, you must measure continuity between the CVT pressure control solenoid valve 2P connector number 1 and a body ground with the vehicle in the off-lock mode and the appropriate connectors disconnected. If you find continuity, it indicates that the DRC wire is operating properly, but suggests that the CVT drive pulley pressure control solenoid valve itself is faulty and needs replacement. Should there be no continuity detected, it would point towards an open wire condition, requiring you to repair the DRC wire that connects the solenoid valve to ground. Alternatively, check for any poor connections at ground point G251, as a poor ground can also lead to the errors indicated by DTC P0962 and P0963. After successfully conducting all repair procedures based on the previous troubleshooting steps, it is vital to verify that the repairs have been effective. To start, make sure all connectors that were disconnected for testing have been securely reconnected. Following that, utilize the Honda Diagnostic System, HDS, to clear any remaining DTCs from the vehicle's memory. This reset allows the system to operate as if it were new and eliminates previously stored error codes that could impact performance. Once the DTCs have been cleared, proceed to take the vehicle for a test drive under various conditions. This drives check will help to confirm that no DTCs reappear and that the transmission operates smoothly. If everything checks out, you can be confident that the repairs have addressed the DTC issue effectively. To prevent future occurrences of DTC P0962 and P0963, implementing a preventive maintenance routine is essential. Regular electrical inspections help identify wear and tear in wiring, ensuring that all connections remain secure and free from corrosion. Keeping connectors clean is equally important, as dirt and grime can cause electrical resistance, leading to malfunctions. Additionally, monitoring transmission fluid levels and quality can help maintain optimal transmission performance. A well-functioning transmission is less likely to encounter issues related to false readings from the TCM or solenoid valves. Taking these precautions will not only extend the life of your vehicle's transmission components, but also promote an overall smoother driving experience. In conclusion, understanding the implications of DTCs P0962 and P0963 is crucial for effective troubleshooting and vehicle maintenance. These codes indicate electrical problems primarily associated with the CVT drive pulley pressure control valve circuit, rather than mechanical transmission failures. By following a structured and comprehensive troubleshooting process, technicians can pinpoint the root cause of the problem. Whether it's a wiring issue, a faulty solenoid valve, or a defective TCM, the steps outlined in this guide offer a clear path towards verifying repairs and ensuring that the vehicle functions properly. Taking proactive measures in preventive maintenance will further help reduce the likelihood of these issues recurring in the future, promoting longevity and performance for your Honda Accord. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.